Picture this. My friends, you're strolling through a bustling Mediterranean market. The air is filled with the mesmerizing scent of fresh herbs and olive oil. The vibrant colors of fruits and vegetables beckon you, and you're surrounded by the heartbeats of the Mediterranean. But there's more to this scene than meets the eye. Welcome to Mediterranean Diet Magic, Heart Protective Wonders. The Mediterranean diet isn't just about food, it's about a way of life. It's about vibrant markets, savoring every bite, and the laughter of loved ones. But what makes it truly magical is its ability to protect your heart. Now, you might be wondering, is there science to back this up? Oh, you bet. Study after study has unveiled the heart protective wonders of the Mediterranean diet. Take for instance, a study published in the New England Journal of Medicine. That study showed a 30% reduction in heart attacks, strokes, and deaths from heart disease among participants who followed this enchanting diet. We are going to reveal what in the Mediterranean diet lends to their robust heart health and longevity. Please, note that the information here is for education purposes only. It's not intended to treat any disease. Let's meet our star ingredients, shall we? Olive oil. Let's take a closer look at the superstar of the Mediterranean diet, olive oil. It's not just a cooking oil, it's pure liquid gold with a treasure trove of heart benefits. Olive oil is like the unsung hero in the Mediterranean diet, and its heart benefits are nothing short of miraculous. You see, it's brimming with monounsaturated fats, which are the good fats your heart adores. These monounsaturated fats, specifically oleic acid, play a key role in the Mediterranean diet's heart protective magic. They have the remarkable ability to reduce the levels of LDL or bad cholesterol in your bloodstream. Remember that New England Journal of Medicine study I mentioned earlier? Well, here's where it shines. It showed that a diet rich in monounsaturated fats, like those found in olive oil, significantly lowered the risk of heart attacks and strokes. But that's not all, folks. Olive oil is also an antioxidant powerhouse. It's bursting with compounds like polyphenols and vitamin E, which act as your heart's shield against harmful free radicals. Free radicals are like the troublemakers of the body. They can cause oxidative stress, inflammation, and damage to your arteries. Olive oil's antioxidants swoop in to neutralize these troublemakers, reducing the risk of artery-clogging plaque buildup. It's like having a superhero team stationed in your bloodstream, defending your heart day and night. And here's the kicker, olive oil has potent anti-inflammatory properties. Its anti-inflammatory powers help maintain the health of your blood vessels, ensuring that your heart can pump blood efficiently. It's not just a cooking ingredient, it's a heart-protective elixir that's been cherished in the Mediterranean for centuries. The Mediterranean diet's magic is in the details, and olive oil is a shining star in this culinary wonderland. Caution. Don't use too much olive oil at a time. It defeats the purpose. Low-fat diet is still the way to go. Now, let's dive deep into another superstar of the Mediterranean diet, fatty fish. It's not just a delicious delicacy, it's a true heart protector with an array of incredible benefits. Fatty fish, my friends, is like the best friend your heart could ever have. It's abundant in omega-3 fatty acids, and that's where its heart protective magic truly shines. Omega-3 fatty acids, especially eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, and docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, are the heart's best allies. Studies, like the one in the Journal of the American Medical Association, have shown that these fantastic fats reduce the risk of heart disease and improve overall heart health. But let's get down to the nitty-gritty of why omega-3s are the heart's favorite nutrient. Omega-3s are like heart superheroes that regulate your heartbeat, making it steady and strong. They also help to keep your arteries smooth and flexible, reducing the risk of blood clots and plaque buildup. But wait, there's more. Omega-3s also work their wonders by lowering triglyceride levels in your blood. High triglycerides are often linked to heart disease. Omega-3s step in like expert firefighters, dousing the flames of high triglycerides, reducing inflammation, and supporting your heart's overall well-being. So, how can you bring this heart-protective magic into your life? It's simple, my friends. Just add fatty fish to your menu. Think salmon, mackerel, and trout. Grill them, bake them, or savor them in a flavorful curry. The choices are endless. But remember, aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish a week to reap the full benefits. It's not just a meal, it's a heart-loving delight that's been cherished in the Mediterranean for generations. Now, let's unravel the nutty heroes of the Mediterranean diet. We are talking about nuts. These tiny powerhouses are not just tasty. They are heart heroes with a bag full of incredible benefits. Nuts, my friends, are like the secret agents of heart health, quietly working behind the scenes to protect your cardiovascular well-being. Nuts are packed with heart-boosting elements. They're rich in unsaturated fats, including monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help lower bad LDL cholesterol levels. In fact, studies, like one in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology, have shown that incorporating nuts into your diet can reduce your risk of heart disease. But what's inside these little wonders that makes them so heart-healthy? Nuts are gold mines. They're filled with fiber, plant sterols, and antioxidants that work together to lower inflammation and improve the health of your blood vessels. They also provide a dose of vitamin E, which further supports your heart's well-being. And here's the omega-3 connection. Some nuts, like walnuts, are rich in alpha-linolenic acid ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3s, as we discussed earlier, are like heart superheroes. They help regulate your heartbeat and keep your arteries clear. It's like a symphony of heart protective benefits in every nutty bite. Just incorporate a handful of nuts into your daily menu. Add them to your morning yogurt, sprinkle them on your salad, or simply enjoy them as a quick and satisfying snack. They're not just snacks. They're heart-boosting bites that have been cherished in the Mediterranean for generations. Now, let's immerse ourselves in the vibrant world of fruits and vegetables, the true rainbow of health in the Mediterranean diet. These colorful wonders aren't just visually appealing, they're packed with heart-boosting benefits. They are the stars of the show, each representing a unique set of nutrients and health benefits. The colors are nature's way of telling us what's inside. Reds, oranges, and yellows signal the presence of antioxidants like vitamin C and carotenoids, which are fantastic for heart health. Let's dive deeper into the antioxidant powerhouse within these colorful delights. Antioxidants, like those found in tomatoes and bell peppers, are like your heart's personal bodyguards. They protect your arteries from oxidative damage, reducing the risk of plaque buildup and supporting a healthy cardiovascular system. But there's more to the story: fiber. Fruits and vegetables are rich in dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Soluble fiber, found in foods like apples and oats, can help lower LDL cholesterol levels. Insoluble fiber, found in vegetables like broccoli and carrots, promotes healthy digestion, a win-win for your heart. Each fruit and vegetable brings its unique blend of vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients to the table. For example, leafy greens like spinach are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. And citrus fruits like oranges are packed with vitamin C, which supports a strong and healthy heart. To take advantage of them, just fill your plate with an array of colorful fruits and vegetables. Create vibrant salads, add them to smoothies, or simply enjoy them as delicious snacks. The more colors you include, the more heart-healthy benefits you unlock. It's not just about eating your veggies, it's about celebrating the diversity of flavors and nutrients that nature provides. Whether it's drizzling olive oil on your salad or savoring a plate of grilled fish, the Mediterranean diet is a love letter to your heart. So, go ahead, embrace the magic, and let your heart sing. Thank you for joining us on this heartwarming journey. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you can embark on more HeartSmart adventures with us.